Ugh, one fine. Alright, whatever. It is what it is. I probably deserve it. 2 more fines. You know what? It's okay. I probably still deserve it. 3 more fines. Are you freaking kidding me? God, I wish somebody would just get a life. Oh, whatever. I'll just pay it. I've been cleaning up. It is what it is. Oh, they're changing up the pink now. That's alright. I like color changes. I'll just pay these too. It's fine. 4 more freaking fines? I'm gonna lose it! Broken leaf spring. Time to clean up. 1 piece at a time. That should do. 2 pieces down. Piece 3. Oh, this is 2 pieces, so it's got to get 2 windows. Or break my thumb. Number 4. Oh man, this cleaning stuff is easy. Why didn't I do it sooner? Before we get into this video, if this video gets 10,000 likes, I will roll the 4Runner on its side right here into my pond, and I'll leave it there for 3 days. 10,000 likes, 4Runner goes into the pond on its face. Will lay in my yard for 3 days before I even roll it back over. 10,000 likes, let's get it. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please just go ahead and subscribe now, because this has been an ongoing thing now for a couple years. I'm actually going to try to pull up some footage from how my yard used to look, and then you guys will understand that now I've cleaned up a lot. I've made a lot of progress, and it is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and roll that footage right now. Stand by. All right, now before we actually even roll the video, I just want to go ahead and give a huge shout out to the 3 companies that are working with me. No, they didn't sponsor this video. They don't even know I'm doing this video, but without them, these videos wouldn't be possible. So number 1, Rough Country for the lift kits that I got on the trucks that you are about to see. Number 2, KC Turbo for the turbo that you're about to hear, and Blessed Performance for sponsoring the tuning on the F350. So F350 is a KC Turbo, and Blessed Performance tunes. Let's just roll the footage, and I'll see you guys here at the end. Well, we've had the batteries on the tenders overnight here, and we should be good to go to fire this thing up. We got a video coming out on it later this week, but this one here, or you might have even seen the other one, but this one here is a very, very must-do, a must-have, and I've got to do it. I'm frustrated. I want to play around, and no better truck than to play around in than the old F350 here. So I've had it for a while. You guys haven't really seen it too much on the channel, but we're starting to make it come back. As you do know, went ahead and fixed everything. If you didn't see that video, it will be coming out very soon. But it's time to have some fun with this thing. So if you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, I'm a little aggravated by the code situation going on here. I mean, I do get it. I'm not sitting here saying that I don't get why codes is up my butt, but today we've got our answer for them, and we're gonna have a little fun at their expense because, well, I kind of need some more revenue to go ahead and pay all these fines. So we might as well really have some fun and see what happens. So we've got the 6.0 dug out here, and I think you guys are about to see what is going down. Actually, I'll play a clip to where we are right now at this point, and then I'll pick back up there. Oh yes, boys and girls, I freaking love both of these rigs. They're both badass. I freaking love them, and this is just sort of my response video to codes. I hope the neighbors enjoy the videos that we're making. I know I'm enjoying them at this point, but I'm gonna back the XJ off now and see if we can't go the whole way up and over with the F350. Alrighty, I've got to absolutely bring the 350 back down here and do that again. This is absolutely so much fun, and it's crazy because I didn't want to pull the wheels off of this thing because I want to be able to go ahead and load it back up. So I put it up against my retaining wall here. So that's the reason it's here, and that's why we're right here where we're doing it. But I freaking love this thing. As you can tell, we had a little fun with the XJ. I tried to slam into it and push it sideways with the XJ. Unfortunately, all that did was spin the tires, as you can tell by my driveway here. But I absolutely love the F350. We'll be making a full return. We will be racing a bunch of things, and then we will be calling out Street Speed 717 in his Velociraptor or whatever that turd thing is that he's got. Stay tuned for that. We are going to play with that, but let me go ahead. I'm going to run this thing over one more time, maybe front to back or back to front. Actually, we'll do the XJ here real quick. See if the XJ can go up and over it. All right, well, as you can tell, the XJ doesn't do it as graceful as the F350 does, but man, am I having fun with these two builds. I told you guys I was going to start having fun with these builds, and they are out, they are ready, they are in full force, and I'm freaking excited. I can't not smile with this stuff. It's freaking killer content. I love it, and I hope you guys do too. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this thing up. I'm gonna set you down, drive off of this thing, take a couple of thumbnail pictures, and we'll see what these things are worth. I'll drop that at the end of the video here. We'll see what these cars actually are worth. I ended up paying $75 a piece for the cars. No catalytic converters. I know a bunch of people said that there were catalytic converters worth way more than that from the last video, but I literally bought these cars with no cats in it, and that's why I bought them so cheap. So let's get the XJ off of here and kind of get this stuff cleaned up. It is always crazy to me how much damage really happens to a car when it gets run over. Like, it is just super impressive that these things weigh that much, and it's actually sort of terrifying. I mean, these trucks are so high. You can see there's no orange paint whatsoever or black paint from the F350 up here at all. It's all just the XJ. Like, even the XJ could do some serious damage to a car if we were going down the highway and things got out of control. Man, if you ever had the chance to run over cars, guys, I highly recommend doing it. I have so much fun every time I do this, but let's get these loaded up and get these out of my yard. I can seriously post about driving this bad boy all day long and never be bored with my own content. I know that probably doesn't excite you guys, but man, oh day. Just chugging down the road, 65 mile an hour in traffic, not a glitch, not an issue. Man, do I love this Ram truck. Oh man, it's just something about it. It's so nostalgic, it's old school, and I just freaking love it. You don't see them, guys, you just don't see them. All right, plug and chug. Alrighty, guys and girls, well, you can see I've got the last car loaded up here. I'll run that for scrap in the morning. XJ is doing great. F350 video coming out tomorrow. Also on that, or it might be Saturday, depending on how I'm feeling tomorrow. I got a busy day tomorrow, but probably tomorrow I'll have the edited video for the F350 being fixed and back up and running. The XJ is obviously leaking some transmission fluid here. It is not a big deal. I will get this rectified, and there is a few other issues with the XJ that we'll talk about later on in another video. But there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please go down in the comment section and comment, "That's for you, Karen," and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe, like the video, and you know, we're just out here doing what we can and trying to do better. I had fun doing it. I know it was kind of like paranoia the entire video, but I had to do it. It was something I wanted to do, and you know, we're just out here having fun. So take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video.